Welcome to Digging with Deej, folks. Today I am doing a video on the approximate VDI numbers of the Teknetics T2SE for German coins. So for those of you that are planning to travel abroad to go detecting in Germany at events or whatever, or those of you who are residents of Germany that swing Teknetics metal detectors, stay tuned for a video that will give you an idea of the approximate VDI numbers of German coins. And I've been collecting for coins for several years. I don't have a lot, but I have several 17 and 1800s German silver coins. And those are the coins we all dream of digging. So let's get set up. Welcome to Digging with Deej. With the Teknetics T2 Special Edition. And our first coin is going to be a 1704 2 Albus. A 1767 1 Heller. An 1805 Bayern 1 Kreutzer silver, German States. In 1806, Württemberg 1 Kreutzer, German States, also silver. Next in line is an 1808 Bern 3 Kreutzer, German States. Then we have an 1808 Bern 6 Kreutzer, silver, German States. We have a tiny coin. This is a 1823, I think it's 1823 or 1828 Prussia half silver groschen. Tiny coin. Then we have an 1845 Saxony 1 new groschen silver. And then my last silver coin is an 1850 Hold Prussia 2.5 German silver groschen. This coin has a hole in it. Somebody must have wore it on a string around their neck. I did not dig any of these. I've been collecting them for years. Is a 1914 1 Pfennig. Then a friend gave me this 2 Pfennig that he dug. I cannot make out the year on it, but it's very crunchy, very corroded. That's the 2 Pfennig. Then we have a 5 Pfennig. 1875. This one's older. Then we have a 10 Pfennig. 1912. Here's a worn 10 Pfennig. I think it's a 1874, but it's very worn. Sometimes worn coins can ring up differently. We'll see. Whoop. Okay. Then I have a 20 Deutsche 1875 20 Pfennig. And the last one I have is an 1876 Deutsche 1876 50 pfennig. That's all the pfennigs that I have. Now, a friend who was stationed over in Germany sent me some euros and other coins. We have a 1983 Deutschmark. One Deutschmark. A 2 euro. Here's a 1 euro, 2002 1 euro, tiny coin. Their pennies are tinier than ours. This is a 5 euro. Here's a 10 euro. Here's a 20 euro. Let's see. And that's a 2002. Here's a 2002 50 euro. And this must be more modern. What year is this? This is a 2002. It's got a 2 on it, but it's huge compared to my other 2. Okay. It's a 2 euro, it says. 2002 or 3, something like that. I can't hardly make it out. It's there's that. What's this one? 2002 1 euro. And then a copper 5-cent euro. 2002. So I hope you found my video helpful. This was an air test, so coins in the ground may ring up slightly different, in the ground than they would on an air test. But at least this will give you an idea if you have a diggable target. So get out and find your treasure, folks. It's just out there waiting. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more treasure hunting adventures, please check out some assorted playlists on different types of treasure hunting that I've created for replay. Get out and find your treasure, folks. It's just out there waiting. See you soon.